You know how sometimes you just wish things could run a little smoother? Yeah, like when you're trying to get things done, but little problems keep popping up.
Yeah, definitely. I know what you mean.
Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today.
Uh,
We're looking at a common challenge for businesses:
right.
automating data entry.
Interesting.
Imagine this, you're trying to make things easier,
Yeah.
maybe streamlining purchase receipts on a mobile app,
Yeah.
but you keep hitting a wall,
Oh.
missing data.
I hate when that
It's
happens.
like the system's hungry for information,
It definitely needs the right fuel.
and without it, everything grinds to a halt.
Absolutely inaccurate or incomplete data can be a real bottleneck.
That's it, exactly. And that's the problem that our software engineer, Foram tackled.
Form.
Yeah, she works with Tiana Solutions, and she's got over a decade of experience in ERP.
ERP.
Yeah, enterprise resource planning.
Wow, a decade. That's a
Yeah.
lot of experience.
She's a pro. She's navigated over 350 unique scenarios.
That's incredible.
So she really knows her stuff.
Yeah, she was working with a client on a mobile app solution.
Right.
They wanted to automatically generate purchase receipts.
Sounds convenient.
But there was this major roadblock.
What was that?
Essential fields were missing.
Oh no, from the app's interface.
Yeah, and that meant the data couldn't be saved correctly.
So like a form with missing pieces?
Right, it's like trying to build a house without all the bricks.
So how did Forum crack this?
It was quite a puzzle.
Yeah.
You see, software relies on events to trigger actions.
Okay, like queues.
Right. And Forum Solution used two specific events within Acumatica Cloud ERP.
Acumatica Cloud ERP.
Yeah, she used raise field updated and raise updated.
Raise field updated and raise updated. Can you break those down?
Sure. So think of filling out a form online.
Okay.
Every time you change a field like your address,
Got
it's a raise field updated event.
It's telling the system, hey, this bit's changed.
Exactly. And raise updated is like hitting submit on that form
Ah, I see. So the whole record's ready.
with all its fields ready to be processed.
So clever by using both events. Forum essentially made it so even if fields were missing on the mobile interface, the data could still be populated behind the scenes.
Precisely. It's like having a smart assistant filling in the blanks.
That's a great way to put it. So even if the user didn't see all the fields on their screen,
All the mandatory info was still there.
so the system could process the purchase receipt correctly.
Yes, exactly.
That's ingenious. It
Yeah.
solves a really specific problem, but in a way that could probably apply in a lot of different scenarios.
Absolutely. It shows what you can do when you understand a system's capabilities and get creative.
It's like thinking outside the box, but inside the system.
I like that.
So for our listeners out there struggling with similar data entry issues,
Yeah.
what's the big takeaway?
Don't give up. There are solutions out there.
Like forums?
Exactly. You can automate and optimize even really complex processes with the right expertise.
And if you're looking for that expertise, you know where to turn.
Where's
Tiana Solutions. They've got a team of skilled engineers ready to help streamline your business processes.
Wow, that sounds great.
Give them a call at 678-910-2774 to see how they can tailor solutions to your specific needs.
Perfect.